Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Zishan Buhari, Senior English Teacher, Lower Secondary Section, SMB Qaeda Public School, Darsano Chano, Malay. As you know, the SMB Qaeda Public School has started online classes. For this purpose, I am here to teach you Class 6 English. And our topic is Class 6 English, and our topic is forms of verb. How to make the second form and third form of the verbs. Let's start. Students, we have number one word, that is accept. Accept, which means kabul karna. And its second form is you have to add ed after t, which means accept. It becomes accepted. And also third form, accepted. Now number second, admire. Admire means तारीफ करना. Admire means तारीफ करना. Its second form is admire, and third form is also admire. Please note down in your fair copy with me also. Number third, announce. ऐलान करना. It is called announce. Announce. ऐलान करना. Its second form is announced, and also third form same, announced. Number four, apply. Apply means दरख्वास्त करना. दरख्वास्त करना. Its second form is apply, and third form is also apply. Number 6 we have number 5, ask. Ask means पूछना. Someone asks a question. Ask means पूछना, and its second form is asked. Third form is also asked. Number 6, arrest. Arrest means गिरफ्तार करना. Police arrested the thieves. Arrest, गिरफ्तार करना. Its second form is arrested, and third form is also arrested. Number 7, admit. Admit, तस्लीम करना. तस्लीम करना. Admitted. Its second form is admitted, and third form is also admitted. Number 8, attack. Attack means हमला करना, and its second form is attack. Muhammad bin Qasim attacked the English army. Number 9, attend. Attend means शरीक होना. Attended. Its second form is attended by adding ed at the end. Attended. Number 9, believe. Believe means यकीन करना. Believe means यकीन करना. Its second form is believe. Third form is also believe. Number 11, bring. Bring means लाना. Bring me a glass of water. लाना. Its second form is brought. Third form is also brought. students, copy down these forms of verb in your fair copy. Now break. Break means todna. Second form is broke and third form is broken. Number third, build. Build means banana. A constructor, an engineer builds a building. Banana. Build. Second form is build. Third form is also build. Now number 14, burn. Burn. Burn means jalana. Burn means jalana. Second form is burnt and third form is also burnt. Number 15, begin. शुरू करना. Number second form is begun and third form is began. Behave. We have number 16, behave. सुलूक करना. सुलूक करना. Behave. Second form is behave and third form is also behave. We have number 17, come. Come means आना. Come have this. Come. Second form is can and third form is come. Cry. Cry means चीखना, चिल्लाना, रोना. So many meanings. Cry. Cry. Also third form is cry. Number 19, catch. Catch means पकड़ना. Caught. Third form is also caught. Number 20, collect. जमा करना. Collect. जमा करना. Collected. Collected. Number we have number 21, curse. Curse means भेजना. Curse. And second form is also, third form is also curse. Number 22, complete. पूरा करना. Completed. Completed. Number 23, choose. मुंतखब करना. मुंतखब करना. Choose. Chosen. Number 24, clap. Clap. Clap means ताली बजाना. Clap means ताली बजाना. Clap. Clap. Third form is also clap. 26 we have consider. गौर करना. Consider. Consider. And number 26 is decide. फैसला करना. Decided. Decided. We have completed 26 forms of verb. Now starting from 27, we have 27 number is decorate. Decorate, it means sajana. Sajana. And the second form is decorated. Third form is also decorated. Number 28, deceive. Deceive means धोखा देना. Deceive means धोखा देना. Second form is deceived, and third form is also deceived. We have number 29, defeat. Defeat means शिकस्त देना. शिकस्त देना. शिकस्त देना, which means second form is defeated and third form is also defeated. We have number 30, dare. Dare means हिम्मत करना. Second form is dare and third form is dare. Please remember, students, you have to copy in your fair copy and show it to me by taking some pictures of your copy. Number 31, drive. Drive means चलाना. I drive a car. Drive means चलाना. Drove. Second form is drove and third form is also driven. Third form is driven. Number 32, damage. नुकसान करना. नुकसान करना. Damage. Damaged. Second form is damaged and third form is also damaged. Number 33, expect. Expect means उम्मीद करना, उम्मीद रखना. उम्मीद करना. Second form is expected. Third form is also expected. Number 34, explain. वजाहत देना. Explain. वजाहत देना. Second form is explain and third form is also explain. Number 35, finish. Finish means खत्म करना. I have finished my homework and your homework is to copy this in your fair copy. Number 35, finish. Finish. Second form is finished. Third form is also finished. Number 36, forgive. माफ करना. Forgive, माफ करना. You have beaten me in my college gate. Instead of this, I have forgiven you. Forgive, माफ करना. Forgive. Forgiven. Number 37, forget. Forget means भूल जाना. Some students told me that, sir, we have forgotten your homework, but you are not allowed to forget this homework because it must be on your fair copy. Now forget means भूल जाना. Forgotten. Third form is forgotten. Fight. Fight means लड़ना. Don't fight with each other. Live with peace and love. Fight means लड़ना. Second form is fought. Third form is also fought. Give. देना. Give respect to elders and love to the children. Give means देना. Give. Third form is given. We have number 40, grow. Grow means उगाना. Please grow the plants in front of your houses. Grow means उगाना. Second form is grew and third form is grown. Gain means हासिल करना. I have gained 700 marks out of 800. Gain. Second form is gain and third form is also gain. Number 42, hear. Hear means सुनना. your elders, what are they going to say to you? Here means sunna. Here. Second form is here and third form is also here. Number 43, hide. Hide means chupana. Don't hide anything from your parents. Hide means chupana. Hidden. Third form is also hidden. Ignore. Ignore means nazarandaz karna. Please don't ignore the animals. Please don't ignore the animals. Ignore. Number second form is ignore. And third form is also ignore. नजरअंदाज करना. Number 45, insult. Insult means तौहीन करना. तौहीन करना. Don't insult anyone. Insulted. And second, third form is also insulted. Number 46, improve. Improve means what you are going to say, that we have I means improve. Improve means बेहतर बनाना. Please improve your grades from first term to second term. Improve, बेहतर बनाना, बेहतर करना, बेहतर करना. Improve. Second form is improve and third form is also improve. Number 47, kneel. Kneel means झुकना. Always kneel in front of God and nothing else. Kneel means झुकना. Knelt. Knelt. Number 48, know. Know means जानना. Always try to know the knowledge of words, history. Know, जानना. Second form is you and third form is known. 49, leave. Leave means छोड़ना. Left. Second form is left and third form is also left. Number 50, like. पसंद करना. पसंद करना. I like to eat biryani but don't want to give you. Like, पसंद करना. Like. Like. Number 51, learn. Learn means सीखना. Always try to learn new things in your English copy, in your English grammar. Learn. Learn. And third form is learn. Number 52, lend. कर्ज देना. कर्ज देना. Lend. Lend. We have completed our 52 forms of verb and I hope that you have copied in your fair copy. Now starting from 53, we have number 53 is loss. Loss means गवाना. I have lost my watch. Lost. Second form is lost. Third form is also lost. Make. Banana. Make. Make. Banana. Make. Make. And melt. पिघलना. पिघलना. Melted. Melted. Mean. इरादा करना. Mean. इरादा करना. Mean. मेंटेन बरकरार रखना, मेंटेन बरकरार रखना, मेंटेन मेंटेन बरकरार रखना। ओबे तामील करना, ओबे तामील करना, ओबेड ओबेड ओपोज मुखालफत करना, ओबेड ओबेड ऑब्टेन हासिल करना, ऑब्टेन ऑब्टेन पे अदा करना, पेड पेड। नंबर 62 प्लग फूल तोड़ना, प्लग। सेकंड फॉर्म इज प्लग, थर्ड फॉर्म इज आल्सो प्लग। प्रेज तारीफ करना, प्रेज तारीफ करना, प्रेज प्रेज। पनिश सजा देना, punished punished third form is also punished। number 65 promise वादा करना, promised promised third form is also promised। please remember this, you must have to copy in your fair copy। I will check it when the school will be open। now prove, prove means साबित करना, prove means साबित करना, prove prove। raise उठाना, raise उठाना, raised। please raise your voice against violence, raised। third form is also raised। receive इस्तकबाल करना, इस्तकबाल करना, receive receive। refuse इनकार करना, इनकार करना, refuse refuse। number 70 reject, reject means मुस्तरद करना, rejected rejected। return return वापस करना, return return। see देखना, see देखना, saw third form is seeing। shine चमकना, shine चमकना, shone shone। shoot गोली मारना, shot and that one is shot। sing गाना गाना, गाना गाना, sing sang sun। sink डूबना, sank sunk। Then number 77 is speak, बोलना, spoke, spoken, and 78 is stand, खड़े होना, stood, and third form is also stood. As we have completed our 78 forms of verb with meaning. Now come to the 79. But before I start 79, let me remind you that please copy all these words in your fair copy. Starting from steal means चोरी करना. Steal means चोरी करना. Second form is stole and third form is stolen. String means तार लगाना. String means तार लगाना. String, strum. Third form is strum. Now swim, तैरना. Swim. Second form is swim and third form is swim. Now sew means सीना. कपड़े सीना. She sews clothes for her Eid shopping. Sew सीना. Sewed. Third form is also sewed. Number 83 show, दिखाना. Showed. Second form is showed and third form is also showed. Number 84 surprise, हैरान होना. Surprise, हैरान होना. Surprised. Second form is surprised and third form is also surprised. Number 85 think means सोचना. Second form is thought and third form is also thought. Number 86 take means उठाना. Took. Second form is took and third form is taken. 83 throw means फेंकना. Threw. Thrown. Number 88 teach means पढ़ाना. Taught, T-A-U-G-H-T, not T-O, T-A-U-G-H-T. Sometimes students make mistakes in this word. T-A actual spelling is T-A-U, T-A, not T-O, T-A-U-G-H-T. Tear, pardon. Don't tear his copy. Tear, pardon, torn. Third form is torn. Tolerate means I should say that tolerate means बर्दाश्त करना. Tolerated and third form is also tolerated. We have number 91 treat means सलूक करना, बर्ताव करना, सलूक करना. Treated and third form is also treated. Let me remind you again that please copy this in your fair copy. Now come to 92 use, इस्तेमाल करना. Used and third form is also used. Visit, घूमना. Visited. Number 94 verify, तस्दीक करना. verified. Number 95 violate. Violate means खिलाफ वर्जी करना, खिलाफ वर्जी करना, violated, violated, violated. Number 96 win, जीतना, won, won. Number 97 wait, इंतजार करना, waited, waited. Number 98 write, लिखना, wrote, written. Number 99 second last, which is wash. Wash means धोना, wash. And 100 which is welcome, इस्तकबाल करना, इस्तकबाल करना, welcomed, welcome, इस्तकबाल करना. For now, today's our lecture is completed. You must have to copy these forms of work in your field copy. And for now, it's today's lecture has been completed. Inshallah, we will meet you another lecture of grammar. For this, thank you and Allah Hafiz.